English shortened general matter 100 words per minute. Start. Sir, there is a basic problem of human resource in our country. There is a class, the poor class, which is deprived of basic amenities. They face serious problems in education and medical sector. In our country, 27% children are suffering from malnutrition. Our country has not progressed at the required rate in the field of education. We had resolved on the day when our constitution came into being that we would arrange for free and compulsory education to the children up to the age of 14 years within next 10 years. But even today we have been spending 6% of our budget on education and on development of other values relating to human resources. It is a matter of satisfaction that the Honorable Finance Minister has enhanced the budget allocation for education. It should be the responsibility of the government to provide compulsory and free primary education to all the children. The government has tried to make it more attractive by introducing the midday meal program. I am sorry to say that the food provided under this scheme does not contain nutrition's value. Therefore, there is a need to provide nutritious food items under this scheme. Then there is a problem of price rise. The prices of essential commodities have been skyrocketing. We should think over this fact. Sir, I would like to voice my deep sense of appreciation to the mover of this bill for the sensitive and the concern that he has displayed in introducing this bill. This bill concerns the welfare and the well-being of the children of our country. I would also like to my appreciation to the other honorable members for the zeal with which they have participated in the deliberations. I have listened with rapt attention to the speeches made by all the honorable members. This bill talks about insertion of a new article in the constitution. The proposed amendment says that the state shall endeavour to provide free nutritious food to those children who are being provided free and compulsory education by the state. Sir, before we discuss about the necessity and disability of introducing such a bill, I would like to dwell briefly on the genesis of this. Let us first talk about the present day status of the midday meals scheme that is presently in existence in many of our schools. I would like to bring to your notice and though you to the notice of the other honorable members of the house. Full stop.
சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க, மறக்காம பெல் ஐகானை கிளிக் பண்ணுங்க. அப்போதான் உங்க ஃபோன் நோட்டிஃபிகேஷனை தேடி வரும்.